Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 3 From Gathering to Growing Food. And in this video, we will learn the section Tribes. Question 1. Usually, 2 to 3 generations live together in small dash. The options are settlements, villages, settlements or villages, settlements, villages or tribes. Your time to choose. And the answer is settlements or villages. So, usually 2 to 3 generations live together in small settlements or villages. Question 2. Most families are related to one another and groups of such families form a dash. The options are settlement, village, group, tribe. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is tribe. So, most families are related to one another and groups of such families form a tribe. Question 3. Members of a tribe follow occupations such as dash. The options are hunting and gathering, farming and herding, fishing, hunting, gathering, farming, herding and fishing. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is hunting, gathering, farming, herding and fishing. So, members of a tribe follow occupations such as hunting, gathering, farming, herding and fishing. Question 4. Usually, women do most of the dash work. The options are house, agricultural, sewing, non-laborious. Your time to choose. And the answer is agricultural. So, usually women do most of the agricultural work. Question 5. Agricultural work includes dash. The options are preparing the ground for sowing seeds, looking after the growing plants, harvesting grain, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, agricultural work includes A, B and C. Question 6. Children often dash by driving away animals and birds that might eat them. The options are look after plants, harvest plants, sow seeds, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is look after plants. So, children often look after plants by driving away animals and birds that might eat them. Question 7. Children drive away animals and birds as they may dash plants. The options are hurt, eat, trample, modify growth of. Your time to choose. And the answer is eat. So, children drive away animals and birds as they may eat plants. Question 8. Women also dash grain. The options are thresh, thresh and husk, thresh, husk and grind, thresh, husk, grind and store. Your time to choose. And the answer is thresh, husk and grind. So, women also thresh, husk and grind grain. Question 9. Men usually lead dash. The options are small herds of animals, large herds of animals, sheep, goat, cattle, the tribe. Your time to choose. And the answer is large herds of animals. So, men usually lead large herds of animals. Question 10. Men usually lead large herds of animals in search of dash. The options are pasture, water, pasture and water, pasture, water and shelter. Your time to choose. And the answer is pasture. So, men usually lead large herds of animals in search of pasture. Question 11. The cleaning of animals and milking is done by dash. The options are men, women, men and women, men, women and children. Your time to choose. And the answer is men and women. Question 12. Dash make pots, baskets, tools and huts. The options are women, men, women and men, women, men and children. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is women and men. So, women and men make pots, baskets, tools and huts. Question 13. Dash also take part in singing, dancing and decorating their huts. The options are women, men, women and men, women, men and children. Your time to choose. And the answer is women and men. So, women and men also take part in singing, dancing and decorating their huts. Question 14. Some dash are regarded as leaders. The options are women, men, women and men, families. Your time to choose. And the answer is men. So, some men are regarded as leaders. Question 15. Leaders may be dash. The options are old and experienced, young, brave warriors, priests, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, leaders may be old and experienced, young, brave warriors, or priests. Next question 16. Old women are respected for their dash. The options are wisdom, experience, wisdom and experience, age. Your time to choose. And the answer is wisdom and experience. So, old women are respected for their wisdom and experience. Question 17. Tribes have rich and unique dash. The options are cultural traditions, practices, cultural heritage, behavior. Your time to choose. And the answer is cultural traditions. So, tribes have rich and unique cultural traditions. Question 18. Unique cultural tradition includes dash. The options are language and music, language, music and stories, language, music, stories, and paintings. Language, music, stories, paintings, gods, and goddesses. Your time to choose. And the answer is language, music, stories, paintings, gods, and goddesses. So, unique cultural tradition includes language, music, stories, paintings, gods, and goddesses. Next question. Land, forests, grasslands, and water are regarded as the dash. The options are wealth of the entire tribe, wealth of the leaders of the tribe, wealth of the older members of the tribe, wealth of the leading families of the tribe. Your time to choose. And the answer is wealth of the entire tribe. So, land, forests, grasslands, and water are regarded as the wealth of the entire tribe. Next question, 20. Everybody shares and uses the wealth of the tribe dash. The options are by poll, together, as decided by leaders, as decided by priests. Your time to choose. Together. That's the correct answer. Okay, so everybody shares and uses the wealth of the tribe together. Next question. Last question. In tribes, there are sharp differences between the rich and the poor. The options are yes, no, probably yes, probably no. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is no. So, in tribes, there are no sharp differences between the rich and the poor. Okay, so in this video, we learned the section on tribes. In the next video, we will learn a closer look A. Living and dying in Mehergarh. I'll see you there.